Hello guys, mga ka-Block TV. Saan tayo ang ng message ito? Yung analog TV shutdown to digital TV dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan, may lagay ay analog TV shutdown in Philippines. So, hanggang 2026, manyayanin pa tayo sa shutdown ng analog to digital lang. The Philippines is scheduled to complete the phase out of analog TV by the end of 2024. Mega Manila, the analog TV shutdown is scheduled to be completed by the end of 2024. Outside of Mega Manila, the analog TV shutdown is scheduled to be completed as soon as possible. The National Telecommunications Commission, or NTC, is urging the public of switch to digital TV offer several advantages over analog TV, including so marami pa itong channels until 2024. Ito may okay, babasahin ko to. Philippines to begin analog TV shutdown in Metro Manila by late 2024. The National Telecommunications Commission, or NTC, has conducted plan to intend the analog television shutdown in the National Capital Region, or NCR, by the end of 2024. So, meron pa ito ang terrestrial TV. Digital TV. Ayan, ito yung mga Channel 14 nasa Penguin Sea. Yan, Channel 14 or Channel 4, Channel 7. Ito yung PTV, GMA All TV, IBC 13, T1 AM Radio 1206, TV5, RPTV, One Sports via NBC. Yun, naka HD pa lang. RPTV, A2Z, Light TV, Solarflix, Solar Sports, Solar Learning, Shop TV, at marami pa. Aliw Channel 23 at 25, INC TV, RG Digi TV, marami iba, Prime TV, Plus Sports, Knowledge Channel, Billionario News Channel, Live TV, ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam. ITA TV, UNTV, Hope Channel, One Media Network, INC-TV. Ayan. Diba, meron pa ito yung mga National Capital Region or NCR. Ito yung nasa Condillela, Ilocos Region, Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, Western Visayas, Negros Island Region, Central Visayas, Eastern Visayas, Zamboanga, Peninsula, Northern Mindanao, Davao Region, Sorgen, Sagaen Region, Caraga Region, at Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Ako naman si Tyro Kwanyo. Ito ang Tyron's Vlog TV. Bye-bye!